Fantom has just released a new product for the community, and the BNB Chain is about to get a massive boost of users. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin continues to gain ground as miners scale back sales of mined cryptocurrency. Bitcoin rose to 23,000, a 30% rally in just 2 weeks. On-chain flows tracked by analysts at cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex show the amount of Bitcoin transferred from miner addresses to wallets owned by exchanges has declined to multi-year lows. Miners are also in better shape, and selling is now at a 3-year low. It's a potential indication that miners are now either already transitioned or are in the process of transitioning to a source of buying pressure. Analysts added, miners are hodling their Bitcoin because they anticipate further rises. Dwindling miner sales implies weaker selling pressure from those responsible for making coins and are generally viewed as bullish. The Bitfinex analyst said the recent price surge, however, may reverse course as traders take profits on recent price gains amid lower liquidity in the overall market. Bitcoin has rallied nearly 40% this month despite lingering FTX contagion fears. Bitcoin jumped over 7% on Friday, the highest single-day gain since November 10th, even as Genesis's crypto lending business filed for bankruptcy. The proposal to bring Uniswap V3 to the BNB chain has passed with support from 80% of the Uni voters. The entrance of Uniswap would officially signal an epic battle of the dexes on BNB chain, with the reigning champion PancakeSwap facing off against the super heavyweight Uniswap. Voting on the proposal, which was floated by Plasma Labs, ended Sunday night with about 20 million tokens cast in favor of the move. Plasma Labs said, "Our proposal to deploy Uniswap V3 on BNB chain has passed the temperature check with 20 million votes yes and 6,495 Uni voters, the biggest number in Uniswap's governance history." Uniswap, like other decentralized exchanges, relies on smart contracts to match trades and supply liquidity between traders. It locks up over $3.4 billion worth of various tokens across 5 blockchains, with V3, the latest iteration, commanding $2.6 billion of that figure. Plasma said the move is warranted because BNB Chain, a blockchain closely linked to centralized crypto exchange Binance, has a large and growing user base and provides a potential new market, as well as high transaction speeds and low fees, making it a suitable platform for Uniswap's DEX services. Developers wrote in that proposal that deploying to BNB Chain would help Uniswap tap into the growing popularity of DeFi in the Binance ecosystem, and BNB Chain offers unique features such as staking and cross-chain support that could enhance Uniswap's V3 functionality. Among several other benefits, Plasma added a move to the BNB Chain could attract at least $1 billion in additional liquidity from the BNB Chain ecosystem, as well as another 1 to 2 million new users. Plasma is expecting to submit a final proposal outlining the move in the coming weeks. Is the crypto bear market coming to an end? Cryptocurrency prices are on the rise lately, and now there are growing signs that the NFT space is rebounding as well. Opensea, the leading marketplace, has had back-to-back Ethereum NFT monthly sale increases for the first time in a year, with January sales volume already topping December's tally with a week left to go. Opensea has processed over $320 million worth of Ethereum NFT trades so far in January, already beating December's tally of about $283.5 million. And December was the first time since April 2022 that Opensea had posted any kind of sales increase, climbing from $253 million worth in November. The rising value of Ethereum has had something to do with it, with Ethereum being up 33% over the past 30 days at a current price of around $16.20. While Opensea's recent rise is a positive signal for the industry after months of declining sales, the figures reinforce how significantly the market has deteriorated over the past year. In January 2022, Opensea marked its best ever month with $4.86 billion worth of Ethereum NFT sales. Opensea had 5 straight months of at least $2 billion worth of NFT trading volume at the start of 2022, but saw volatile up and down swings during that span. Prices are up for top collections, for example, the cheapest listed Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT jumping from $84,500 to $108,000 over the past 30 days. And CryptoPunks jumped from $76,500 to $108,000 in the same time. Last week's launch of the Sewer Pass NFT for Bored Ape Yacht Club members has helped fuel secondary market trading as well, with over $35 million worth of secondary trading so far. It's unclear if these recent signals will ultimately lead to a sustained NFT market rebound, and there's no doubt that the space has lost considerable momentum over the last year. But amid several months of declining activity, any upward movement is sure to be seen as good news by traders and builders in the space. Data from Ultrasound Money shows Ether's net issuance, or the annualized inflation rate, has dropped to negative 0.07%, meaning the volume of Ether being burnt is outpacing the amount being minted. More than 14,700 Ether, worth around $24 million, have been burnt over the past 7 days. According to Ultrasound Money, 3,400 of these ETH were burnt during NFT trades, and NFT marketplace Opensea is a top 7-day and 30-day gas guzzler among these platforms. More NFT sales on Ethereum means more transactions are occurring, resulting in more ETH being burnt. Fantom has released a decentralized vaults product to fund projects and applications that are being built on its blockchain. Called the Ecosystem Vault, the project is an on-chain fund financed by 10% of transaction fees on Fantom and controlled by the community. The initiative was made possible by decreasing the burn rate of Fantom and redirecting the resulting 10% to the vault. Fantom developers said the vault represents a valuable opportunity for projects to secure funding in their effort to build innovative dApps on Fantom. It's also a chance for the Fantom community to come together and shape the future of the platform through their funding decisions. Any proposal must receive at least 55% approval from the community to be funded, with at least 55% of Fantom stakers in attendance. For the initial launch of the vault, there will be only 5 projects receiving payments at any one time. Developers say community members must add vesting periods to the payments to ensure project founders are incentivized to work continuously instead of receiving payments all at once and possibly losing interest. Now, the risks outlined by the now passed proposal include malicious approval of projects requesting funds from the Ecosystem Vault, influential entities or groups funding themselves or promoting projects they control, and a project that overpromises and cannot deliver with the received funds. As traders begin to turn cautiously optimistic that 2022's bear market is fading at last, altcoins have gotten off to a good start this year. Optimism hit its highest point yet against the dollar on Sunday, along with Aptos. Aptos launched in 2022 and is backed by A16Z and FTX Ventures. Aptos had a welcome turnaround last week after the PancakeSwap community approved deployments on the Layer 1 blockchain. Optimism has also hit new all-time highs as they have posted a major increase in daily active users so far in 2023. This contributed to a price increase of more than 6% over the last week. As ecosystems like Aptos and Optimism are becoming more developed, interest is growing for the blockchains, and their increased interest is demonstrated by growing transaction volumes. Our partners at Hector Network have just launched their NFT marketplace Atlantica on Fantom. Atlantica aims to be the marketplace of the future for Web3 and was launched on January 19th. At the start of 2022, Atlantica's entry into the market was confirmed with the announcement of 2 major initiatives: the confirmed interest in the non-fungible token space and the development of the necessary infrastructure to support and further expand the NFT market on all fronts. 2 components of Atlantica's marketplace are its cross-chain compatibility and working alongside NFT solutions, making it the one-stop shop with all the advantages each blockchain provides. Initially, the platform will feature well-established brands from the Fantom Network NFT space, and the plan is to expand to other chains in Q1 and Q2 2023 to make Atlantica the marketplace of the future. They say the Atlantica NFT Launchpad will be dedicated to onboarding emerging and established creators who meet the highest quality standards our users expect. Atlantica said we offer a range of business-to-creator solutions that empower NFT creators to monetize their work effectively, giving them the tools and support they need to succeed on our platform. Many upgrades are due in the next weeks and months, including potentially a new utility for the Hector Network token and the Tor stablecoin, both issued by the Hector Network. AAVE, the decentralized lending protocol, recently put forward a proposal titled AAVE Ethereum V3, in which it requested votes from its community members for the activation of AAVE V3 Ethereum pool. According to the proposal, once the initial setup is complete, the pool will list pre-approved tokens such as Wrapped Bitcoin, Wrapped ETH, USDC, DAI, Link, and AAVE. Although AAVE V3 was launched and functional on various blockchain networks such as Avalanche, Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, Fantom, and Harmony, the Ethereum pool was still using the older version of V2. According to data from DeFi Llama, AAVE V2 ranked 4th in terms of total value locked with $4.1 billion, following Lido Finance, MakerDAO, and Curve. So far this year, the protocol's TVL has risen 28%. While AAVE V3 is functional on 6 chains, AAVE V2 exists on Ethereum, Avalanche, and Polygon. Per DeFi Llama, most of the activity within the AAVE ecosystem takes place on its V2 deployment on the Ethereum network. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.